I chose the name privateer somewhat as an homage to the 16th and 17th century explorers of the world, like Sir Francis Drake, who was licensed by his government to steal booty, gold from the Spanish. And so it's kind of a pirate term, kind of a gentleman way of saying pirate. Poseidon records the name of every boat in his ledger, and that if you change the name of a boat, you have to implore him to forget the old name of the boat and to register on his log the new name of the boat. Almighty and great ruler of the seas of the oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, I implore you in your graciousness to expunge from all time from your records the recollection of the name Anonymous. Yes, the name of the boat is Anonymous, which has ceased to be an entity in your kingdom. As proof thereof, we submit this ingot bearing your name to be corrupted through your powers and forever to be purged from the sea.
All right, purged.
In grateful acknowledgement of your munificence and dispensation, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. Woohoo! Alright, that's for Poseidon. Okay, I have to save some for like other gods that we have to. Overwhelming scourge of your mighty breath. Woohoo! More for me.
Is that all the gods? Did we get them all?
That's all the gods.
Oh, amen.
Oh, that's the good stuff. Hey, help yourself.
Yeah. The funny part here is that we got the very cheap $2 champagne.
$3.
$3, my mistake.
Put the film, the top of the film, on the edge of the film, on the tape.